Bitcoin just smashed its all-time high. Again. At the time you're watching this, it's hovering around $123,000 of what? A number nobody believed just 2 years ago. And now the question everybody's asking is the same. Should I buy now, or am I about to get wrecked? In this video, I'll break it all down, without hype, without fear, just facts, context, and a clear answer to that question. Let's start with what's actually happening. First, why did Bitcoin pump this hard? 3 things: ETFs. BlackRock, Fidelity, and other giants launched spot Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year. And money has been flooding in. We're talking billions, not hype money. Institutional money. And that creates massive demand, regulation. US lawmakers are finally pushing pro-crypto legislation. For once, they're not trying to ban Bitcoin, they're trying to work with it. Macro fear. Global inflation is creeping. Some governments are hinting at currency devaluation. And big investors are hedging into Bitcoin. So that's the context. But here's the real question. Is this the top? Let's look at both sides. Side 1. Bullish Bitcoin just broke resistance. Institutions are still buying. Supply is limited, having already happened this year. Retail FOMO hasn't even kicked in yet. Some analysts say $134,000 is next. Others predict $150,000 by year-end. And remember, last cycle, after breaking the previous ATH, Bitcoin 3x'd. So, history says there might still be room to run. Side 2, bearish price is overheated short-term. RSI is flashing red on daily charts. The last 3 record highs were followed by quick drops. There's also the sell the news effect. Many investors ride the hype wave and dump right after. So yeah, a correction is possible, even healthy. And if you're the kind of person who buys the top, panics, and sells the bottom, you're better off waiting. So what do you actually do right now? Here's my advice. And no, this isn't financial advice, but it's common sense. Option 1. Did you already own BTC? Sit tight. Zoom out. You're early. No need to FOMO in or panic sell. Just breathe. Option 2. You don't own any BTC. Don't ape in with your life savings. Start small. Dollar cost average. $20 this week. $50 next week. Build the habit, why not the hype? That way, if price dips, you buy more. If it rises, you're already in. It's a win either way. This is how smart money enters, not all in. Not from fear, from conviction, and consistency. And here's the truth. Most people ask, should I buy now? Because they're hoping for a perfect time. But with Bitcoin, the perfect time was 10 years ago. The second best time, probably now, but only if you do it smart. Here's how I do it. Open a verified crypto account. Start with what you can afford to lose. Set recurring buys weekly or monthly. Don't watch the chart every hour. Zoom out. Think long. It's not about timing the top. It's about spending time in the market. Now, let me give you some bonus perspective. Imagine you're in 2030. Bitcoin is at $250,000. Maybe more. You look back and think, wow, I had a chance to buy when it was $123,000. And I hesitated over $5,000 volatility. This is the reality most people live through. They wait for the price to crash. And when it crashes, they wait for it to go lower. And when it goes lower, they're too scared to touch it. Then they repeat the cycle next time. So don't let fear paralyze you. Don't let hype blind you either. Be calm. Be strategic. Be early. And if you're ready to start, I've linked a tool I personally use below. Sign up for Coinbase. You'll get $10 in Bitcoin when you make your first trade. And you'll finally stop being a spectator in this market. If this video helped clarify your thinking, drop a comment. Buying smart in 2025. Like, subscribe, and send this to someone who's sitting on the fence. Because financial freedom doesn't come from guessing the top. comes from getting started. Let's level up.